Students, Excel Tuition welcomes you to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve some MCQs. Question 1. The merchants from Europe and Asia met to exchange their goods in dash. A. Rome, B. Genoa, C. Shanghai. And the answer is B. Genoa. Question number 2. To spread the ideas among the people and nations, the printing technology promoted the circulation of dash. A. Novels, B. Newspapers, C. Stories. And the correct option is B. Newspapers. Question number 3. In the domestic system of produce, the most important component was A. Human labor, B. Machinery, C. Electricity. The correct option is A. Human labor. Question number 4. An Englishman, Abraham Darby, invented coke smelling process in dash. A. 1750, B. 1850, C. 1709. And the correct option is C. 1709. Question number 5. The Constantinople fell into hands of Ottoman Turks in the year dash. A. 1492, B. 1498, C. 1453. And the correct option is C. 1453. Question number 6. Lord Cornwallis and his British forces were surrendered in the dash. Options are A. Battle of Yorktown, B. Battle of Saratoga, C. 7 Years' War. And the correct option is A. Battle of Yorktown. Question number 7. To spread the ideas among the people and nation, the printing technology promoted the circulation of. Options are A. Novels, B. Newspapers, C. Stories. And the correct option is B. Newspapers. Question number 8. In the year 1764, the British Parliament passed the Dash Act. Options are A. Stamp Act, B. Sugar Act, C. Tea Act. The correct option is B. Sugar Act. Question number 9. The Second Continental Congress met at Philadelphia on dash. A. 5th September 1774, B. 4th July 1776, C. 10th May 1775. And the correct option is C. 10th May 1775. Question number 10. One of the noblest document in the history of mankind in America was dash. A. Declaration of American Independence, B. Treaty of Paris, C. Boston Tea Party. And the correct option is A. Declaration of American Independence. Question number 11. A famous journal called Samvad Kaumudi was published by dash. A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, B. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, C. Rajaram Roy. And the correct option is C. Rajaram Roy. Question number 12. The machine that could spin fine and strong thread was dash. A. Mule, B. Power loom, C. Spinning jenny. And the correct option is A. Mule. Question number 4. The first railway line in India was led by dash. A. George Stephenson, B. Robert Fulton, C. Lord Dalhousie. And the correct option is C. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 14. The Spanish exploration began their expeditions during the rule of dash. A. Ottoman Turks, B. Henry VII, C. King Ferdinand. And the correct option is C. King Ferdinand. Question number 15. The author of novel The Invisible Man was. Options are A. H.G. Wells, B. Charles Dickens, C. George Bernard Shaw. And the correct option is A. H.G. Wells. Question number 16. The art of printing was invented by dash. A. Chinese, B. Indian, C. American. And the correct option is A. Chinese. Question number 17. The Industrial Revolution led to the rise of a dash. A. Mixed economy, B. Capitalist economy, C. Socialist economy. And the correct option is B. Capitalist economy. Question number 18. The explorer who proved that the earth is round by circumnavigating it was dash. A. Amerigo Vespucci, C. B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Vasco da Gama. And the correct option is B. Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that the earth is round by circumnavigating it. Question number 19. John Gutenberg invented the first printing press in dash? A. Britain, B. Portugal, C. Germany. And the correct option is Germany. Question number 20. In the 13th century, Marco Polo visited the kingdom of Kublai Khan in dash? A. Germany, B. Russia, C. China. And the correct option is C. China. Question number 21. The first printing press was invented in Germany during the dash? A. 15th century, B. 16th century, B. 16th century, C. 18th century. And the correct option is A. 15th century. Question number 22. The machine invented by Samuel Crompton was dash? A. Mule, B. Cotton gin, C. Spinning jenny. And the correct option is A. Mule. Question number 23. The most useful navigational aid used by the explorer during their voyage was dash? A. Mariner's compass, B. Safety lamp, C. Water frame. And the correct option is A. Mariner's compass. Question number 24. The basic unity of society in the post-industrialized society was dash? A. Printing, B. Novel, C. Family. And the correct option is C. Family. Question number 25. The spinning jenny was discovered by dash? A. Samuel Crompton, B. Richard Arkwright, C. James Hargreaves. The spinning jenny was discovered by James Hargreaves. The correct option is C. Question number 26. Famous novel Oliver Twist was written by dash? A. Charles Dickens, B. Jonathan Swift, C. William Shakespeare. And the correct option is A. Charles Dickens. Question number 28. The southern tip of Africa was called the Cape of Storms by dash? A. Vasco da Gama, B. Bartholomew Dias, C. Prince Henry. And the correct option is C. Prince Henry. Question number 29. The novel Malgudi Days was written by dash? Options are A. R.K. Narayan, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Mulk Raj Anand. And the correct option is A. R.K. Narayan. Question number 30. Vasco da Gama reached the western coast of India and landed at Calicut on dash? A. 18 January 1460, B. 16 August 1458, C. 17 May 1498. And the correct option is C. 17 May 1498. Question number 31. The European country which became famous as the workshop of world was dash? A. Japan, B. England, C. Africa. And the correct option is B. England. Question number 32. Second Continental Congress was convened in the year dash? A. 1774, B. 1775, C. 1781. And the correct option is B. 1775. Question number 33. When was the first railway line laid between Manchester and Liverpool? A. 1830, B. 1850, C. 1853. And the correct option is A. 1830. Question number 34. The Mediterranean and the Baltic Seas were used as commercial highways during the dash? A. Ancient periods, B. Medieval ages, C. Modern age. And the correct option is B. Medieval age. Question number 35. Marco Polo visited the kingdom of Kublai Khan in China during dash? A. 13th century, B. 14th century, C. 15th century. And the correct option is A. 13th century. Question number 36. European country in the forefront of geographical discoveries was dash? A. England, B. France, C. Portugal. And the correct option is C. Portugal. Question number 37. The machine which doubled the amount of work of a weaver could do was dash? A. Flying shuttle, B. Power loom, C. Safety lamp. And the correct option is A. Flying shuttle. Question number 38. In 1761, the first canal was dug from Worsley to dash? A. Manchester, B. Liverpool, C. New York. And the correct option is A. Manchester. Question number 39. To speed up the process of weaving, Edmund Cartwright invented the dash? A. Flying shuttle, B. Power loom, C. Safety lamp. And the correct option is B. Power loom. Question number 40. Jethro Tull invented the dash. A. Telephone. B. Safety lamp. C. Seed drill. And the correct option is seed tree. 41. John Cabot had landed on dash. A. Cape of Good Hope. B. Cape Breton. C. Calcutta. And the option is B. Cape Breton. Question number 42. Rajaram Mohan Roy published a famous journal called Dash. A. Malgudi Days. B. Sanvad Kaumudi. C. Kuli. And the correct option is B. Sanvad Kaumudi. Question number 43. The new capital of the nation state in Europe was first established in Dash. A. England. B. France. C. Spain. And the correct option is B. France. Question number 44. The last English colony established in America was Dash. A. Georgia. B. Virginia. C. Canada. And the correct option is A. Georgia. Question number 45. Bartholomew Dias reached the southern tip of Africa in dash. A. 1488, B. 1498, C. 1492. And the correct option is A. 1488. Question number 46. A machine which could spin 8 threads at the same time was dash. A. Water frame. B. Spinning jenny. C. Mule. And the correct option is B. Spinning jenny. Question number 47. A power loom invented by Edmund Cartwright was operated with the help of dash. A. Water. B. Electricity. C. Hand. And correct option is A. Water. Question number 48. A famous novel Anand Mat was written by dash. A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. R.K. Narayan. C. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. And the correct option is A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 49. In 1773, a British ship loaded with tea boxes was anchored in the harbour at dash. A. Boston. B. Paris. C. Philadelphia. And the correct option is A. Boston. Question number 50. A British Parliament passed the Stamp Act in the year dash. A. 1764. B. 1765. C. 1767. And the correct option is B. 1765. The discovery of the new land was looked upon by Christian missionaries to spread dash. A culture betrayed C. religion. And the correct option is C. religion. Do share, like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Number 52. God, glory and gold were three aims of dash. A. Spain. B. France. C. Portugal. And the correct option is A. Spain. Question number 52. The introduction of steam engine created the major problem of dash. A. Pollution. B. Unemployment. C. Capital. And the correct option is A. Pollution. Question number 54. In the year 1492, the explorer Columbus discovered dash. A. Russia. B. France. C. America. And the correct option is C. America. Question number 55. The country that became famous as the workshop of the world was dash. A. India. B. Japan. C. England. And the correct option is C. England. 56. Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut in the year dash. A. 1498. B. 1510. C. 1488. Answer is A. 1498. Question number 57. The social reformer who regarded as the father of Indian journalism was dash. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Rajaram Mohan Roy. C. Lokmanya Tilak. And the correct option is B. Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question number 58. The basic unit of the post-industrialized society was dash. A. Leisure. B. Family. C. Wages. And the correct option is A. Leisure. 59. The British Parliament passed the Tea Act in the year dash. A. 1764. B. 1767. C. 1773. And the correct option is C. 1773. Question number 60. The introduction of steam engine created the major problem of dash. A. Pollution. B. Unemployment. C. Capital. And the correct option is A. Pollution. Thank you. Do subscribe, like our channel for more such videos and most important question and answers. Bye.